Wiring this kit up is easy thanks to the plug-and-play connectors. Simply plug the halos into the LED driver and connect positive and negative to the battery. Then you just turn on the app and enjoy. Oracle's dynamic halos feature individually addressable LEDs which pack a ton of unique features. Through the app, you can easily make standard white colors as well as any static colors using the LED color wheel. What makes the dynamic halos more unique is that you can also display a variety of moving patterns within the app. With over 200 different patterns, there is something to fit every color scheme you can imagine. Installation is very easy thanks to the IP67 waterproof characteristics of the halos. These LEDs are completely encapsulated in a waterproof resin, which makes them completely water resistant and allows them to be installed on the outside of the lens. This makes installation super simple. For more information, visit www.oraclelights.com or call us at 1-800-407-5776.